How to add friends on WeChat. Today, I'm going to show you how to add friends on WeChat, whether you want to connect with someone new or find an old friend. I'll walk you through all the different ways to add someone on WeChat. First, open the WeChat app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to your friend list and allow you to add new contacts. Now, at the top of the Contacts page, you'll see an option called New Friends. Tap on it to start adding people to your WeChat account. Here you can have a few options to add friends. You can simply do via your phone number. Simply tap on upload contacts, click on continue, click on allow full access. Now tap on mobile, and here you can see all the people who have WeChat. Now simply tap on add to add them. Simply click on send, and you will be sending the friend request to the people like this. You can also add your friends by scanning the QR code. Every WeChat user has a unique QR code that they can share with you. To scan a QR code, simply tap on scan QR code button and scan the person's code, and you can instantly send them a friend request. You can also add them via mobile contacts, radar, and you can also invite your friends to use WeChat. And that's it. That's how you can add friends on WeChat using different methods.